Hello, children. Will you play with me? Let's see what Sam is doing. At the end of the film, Sam's dressed up as something cute. You'll see. So what is Sam doing? Sam is very good. Sam is fishing. You can say after me. Sam is fishing. He's with his friend the flamingo and the frog. Fishing. Sam is fishing. Now what's Sam doing? Cute Sam, he has a pencil and a notebook. What's Sam doing? Sam is writing. Writing. He's writing. Maybe he's writing a story. Sam is very smart. Sam is writing. Say after me. Sam is writing. What's Sam doing here? I think Sam is very smart like you kids. Because here Sam is... You got it. Sam is reading. You can say after me. Sam is reading. Reading. That's right. Sam is reading a book. I wonder what it's about. Oh, look at Sam. He's got his cute friend with him. His cute dinosaur friend. What are they doing? Sam is talking. You can say it after me. Sam is talking. Very good. Sam is talking to his friend, the dinosaur. I wonder what they're talking about. Ooh, Sam is always very busy. What's he doing here? I wonder what he's doing. Can you tell me? Sam is building. Very good. Sam is building an igloo. Do you want to say after me? Sam is building. Building. What's Sam doing now? I think he's helping his friend, the hedgehog. That's a hard word to say. Hedgehog. But what's Sam doing? Very good. That's right. Sam is brushing his hair. He's brushing the hair of his friend, the hedgehog. Brushing. Can you say it after me? Sam is brushing his hair. Oh, what's Sam doing now? That's right. Sam's playing. Playing. You can say after me. Sam is playing. He's playing with ABC blocks. I wonder what he wants to write. Sam is very smart and he's very good at building too, I think. Well, thank you for helping me. You did it so nicely. And look, this is a surprise. Look what Sam's dressed up as now. He's dressed up as a knight. Sam wants to teach lots of kids English. So you can ask your mummies and daddies if you want to learn more English, if they let you subscribe, or they can help you. And like Sam's videos. Sam likes playing with you. And well done. You were very good today. Goodbye.